How to list your business on TripAdvisor. First, you need to head over to the link tripadvisor.com/owners. And once you do that, you need to enter the name of your business to claim it. So let's type in, for example, this. If the business comes up, simply just log in to claim it. However, if you don't see it, nothing's popping up, like this for example, you can click add a missing place and then find it on Google Maps. Let's just add what kind of place this is, copy address from Google Maps. Let's do this. Now let's save and continue. This is all optional, you don't need it. Let's say you work on the 5 working days. Let's submit, and there you go. All you need to do is wait for them to send you an email when the listing goes live. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.